fresh out of work. Got the clean cut. And we got something special. I got something I want to show y'all though. I got one of my parts that I ordered for the truck came in. I think it might be at my house now. You guys gonna see exactly what it is, but it's something that this truck definitely need. Especially with the route that I'm going. But I'm actually excited though to see how everything look. It's one of them parts where a lot of people done talked about, got a lot of good reviews on, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys might probably know what it is, but just got off work, about to start my day. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you're here for your first time, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, help support the channel. If you are into car content or, you know, cars and trucks, whatever, or just want to make dumb decisions with your money and spend it on cars, parts and stuff. If you're in that same category, go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Support the channel, because that's kind of like what I'm doing right now. What I'm actually doing. But yeah, so I'm about to leave, head home. And then shortly when I get home, I should be able to show you guys pretty much what we have at home. Hopefully it shows delivered, so it should be on my doorstep. So kind of excited. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back. This is what we have bought for the Ram. This is the B2 fabrication exhaust system for the truck we recently just bought. Well, this, I wouldn't say recently, but this, I think I ordered probably 2 weeks ago, two and a half weeks ago, something like that. But it just came in today, and I'm actually pretty excited and kind of interested in seeing how it actually look, because the box is not like a huge box. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but we did end up going, if you guys wondering what kind of exhaust sound clip I went with, I end up going with the, I think it's the Delete, the aggressive, extreme aggressive or something like that. I end up going with that. And pretty much this is what in this box right here. The reason being why we're going to get rid of the muffler delete, obviously, it has, don't get me wrong, the muffler delete sounds good. But personally, I'll say, I don't think hearing one of these, I haven't heard in person, but I hear on the audio and stuff, videos and stuff, they sound pretty decent, pretty like good, extremely good. So I'm actually excited. This is a direct bolt on and stuff like that to be able to go right back on the truck. But we about to unbox everything out just to see the quality, show you guys exactly how everything is. Obviously, we're not going to be installing it on the truck today. It's gonna be getting done another day. I am waiting on more parts and stuff that I ordered for the Ram, but it's one of the stuff that came in, and I'm actually pretty excited to see how this stuff looks. So I'm about to unbox this real quick. I only have one hand. I don't have my. All right, y'all. So voila, I had to cover up my address. So this is it. So we're gonna see. Let me try to see if I can zoom back out. I don't know why my camera is not letting me do so. Zoom back outwards. Let me zoom in. All right. So hopefully you guys could be able to see everything. So this is everything that came in. And we got the, I think it's the 5-inch exhaust tip also I have. I think it might be in one of these right here. All right, there we go. This is it. So this is the 5-inch exhaust tip that we end up going with. Not gonna lie, this thing is huge. Kind of crazy though, because I really didn't expect 5-inch to really be like that big, but no homo. But we had to go with the black. Obviously, the truck is black. That was gonna really give it like that real nice smoked out look. But it's kind of crazy though how huge. I know video don't really do like justice and stuff, but this is pretty big. Kind of crazy though, man. I'm kind of excited to see how this thing gonna be on the truck. Look at that setup. Kind of clean though. For something like this, paying the price, Obviously, it's not a full exhaust system. This is just like half, but with like the reviews I've seen about B2 fabrication and stuff like that. Really, I think I had to give it a shot. Definitely will be like seeing the quality of how this stuff is will definitely for me honestly be I'm gonna have to say it's a 10 out of 10. So here's the hinges that they bring they also weld and stuff together. Welding pretty solid, I would say pretty solid stuff, as you guys could see. And then this is the actual I think it's a wide pipe, I believe. So this is the actual wide. I can't even effing say my words right now, man. But it's the wide pipe right here, as you guys can see. Apparently, this is like the real extremely aggressive out of all of their exhaust setup. This is like the most aggressive one right here that I end up going with, and I'm kind of excited. I ain't gonna lie to you guys to see how this stuff really gonna make the truck sound. Obviously, a muffler delete doesn't cut it, but kind of excited. So hopefully, within the next couple days, we can be able to put this on the truck. So you guys definitely want to stick around, stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting this on the truck. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe.